Hello guys and welcome to Royal Cash. My name is King and today I'm going to show you how to make money by just playing mobile games. Watch this video till the end to fully absorb all this knowledge. A little background about me: I used to work in a hardware mega store. I was miserable and really hated my life. I didn't even have proper shoes to work in and had to work in old sneakers that were held together with wood glue. I worked hard and was very quiet and honest. I constantly got treated badly by my coworkers. I really felt empty and wondering what I have to do to get out of this place. I had a heated altercation with my manager one day and just walked out on the job and never looked back. I looked all over the internet for online surveys and none of them worked, so I gave up. I came across this website called Instagc and tried it out. I did find a couple surveys but not much, so I was frustrated. I then came across the gaming section and immediately started playing all the games. I was persistent and honest and I actually started to get paid. I made about $5, then from there it grew. The surveys might work fine for you, but for me I only found a couple. I hope this method helps you all and gives you insight on how easy it is to get paid. Firstly, you will need to sign up for an online money-making platform called Instagc. I left a link in the description. Sign up today for free and get 10 points for free. Once you have signed up and verified your PayPal account, you can now start earning big. Head on over to the Earn tab and click on Recommendations. Once there, you should browse through all the available money making and then head on over to Offer Toro. Here you will find a list of game and apps you can make money on. Each game has a set of requirements you need to fulfill, like reaching level 12 or just signing up. This method is entirely free and easy. The games are actually quite enjoyable. You have nothing to lose. Instagc uses a points system, so finish a single survey will net you 30 points. For example, 5,000 points is equal to about $5. The site pays out either in gift cards or PayPal. For more background on Instagc, do a quick Google search to see for yourself that many have been profiting using this method. It's really easy and fun. I understand that sometimes making money can be tough, but honestly all you need is a plan and a financial target and you're set. I can help you put together a plan. Start by getting a blank piece of paper or a new page on a text editor on your PC. At the top of the page, write down your financial target and a completion date. Write a financial target that's as high and attainable. Ask yourself what you are good at and list them on the page. Google search how to make money and add the listed points. Really be precise with your plan and see it through. I will make a video where we make a plan together. I first aimed for $50, then I plan to turn that money into stock, then resell it for profit. For example, I wanted to buy $50 worth of thermal paste, then sell the whole batch for about $120 using online marketplaces. Instagc is nice because it is legit and has a lot of positive feedback. I mainly focused on the games as I was too lazy to fill out a lot of surveys. The videos option that allows you to make money by just watching videos on this website doesn't work in my country, unfortunately, but the games and surveys do. Persistence is key here, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, there's always a way. Always. If you want to make even more money, you could fill out surveys and watch videos depending on your country. I have been using this service for a while and I have made some cash. I made about $5 last week and this week I'm aiming for about 20. I do personally recommend that when you get paid, please using that money to start an online business to make even more cash. Did you know you can make $1 million in 1 month on the internet? It is very easy and a lot of people do it almost every day. If you want to learn how to do this, I can give 5 methods for free. So stay tuned. In the meantime, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to watch my upcoming money making video. You will be shocked at how easy it is to make money online. Did you also know that you can get paid to just watch YouTube videos? I will teach you, so stay tuned. Another alternative is Swagbucks. A lot of people really love Swagbucks. It's simple and very popular. I prefer Instagc, but Swagbucks is also a good alternative. I know you loved this video, so please like and subscribe for more. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will show you how to make $200 in 1 week using Instagram. Comment below what your financial target is and any questions. And as always guys, have a great one. Peace and chicken grease.